quiero, repítele.
Biggin Hill, Oscar 902, is a general aviation with Bravo, ready taxi.
Capri 903, roger. The surface wind 2007 knots. Would you like runway 21 or runway 03?
Pues la otra no sería mejor, 03.
Runway 03 is good for us, Capri 903.
903, roger. Taxi holding point Hotel 1 for runway 03 and I'll have your clearance.
Taxi to Hotel 1 for runway 03, Capri 903.
A few moments later.
Capri 903, I have your departure clearance.
Ready to copy, Capri 903.
Number 1, Raven S6, November Mike, clear to land, 2106.
Runway 21, clear to land, Raven 6, November Mike.
Capri 903, this is the LID 2 departure, runway 03. Climb altitude 2,400 feet, squawk 2012.
Lead to departure, climb for runway 03, climb 2,400 feet and squawk 2012, Capri 903.
Capri 903, correct, report ready at Hotel 1.
We'll report ready at Hotel 1, Capri 903.
Raven 6, November Mike, backtrack left Delta 3, part with the master.
Backtrack left Delta 3, power to Marshall, Raven 6, November Mike.
Capri 903 via Hotel 1, line up runway 03.
Via Hotel 1, line up runway 03, Capri 903.
Line up. Espérate que aquí está la otra.
Parking brake.
Release.
Pressure selector está en normal, air conditioning está off. Strobe regulation lights.
On.
Transponder anticas en TRA. Los puestos sí, y esto está bien.
Sí.
Pues TRA y ticas en on. Line-up checklist completado.
Ok, entrando a pista.
Entrando. No hay frecuencia después, no.
No.
Golf Romeo Zulu, go ahead. Golf Romeo Zulu, thank you. Reporter beam Kenley. Okay, Golf Romeo Zulu. Capri 903, runway 03, right turn, cleared for takeoff. Surface wind 2106 knots.
Clear for takeoff runway 03, Capri 903.
Ignitions, pitot, panel libre, listo.
Listo.
Takeoff power set.
Nemómetro vivo.
Check.
70 knots.
Check.
B1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. Gear up, selecting on the lights off. ¿400?
Yes.
Y ya sé, ¿no? 500 pies. No sé por qué. Ah, bueno, esto vale. Pues 1000 pies ahora. 120. Y 1000 para 2400.
Capri 903, climb now, altitude 3,000 feet.
Climb to 3,000 feet, Capri 903. Vale, pues 1500 pies. Flap up seleccionado.
Golf Romeo Zulu, roger, leaving my area, squawk on security, free call en route, good night.
Navegación vertical.
Go straight to
Speed.
12340, have a great evening.
Y autopilot.
903, contact Thames radar 128.025. Have a good flight.
128.025, copy 903, Maxi. Thank you. Radar, good afternoon, Capri 903 is on the lead to departure to 3,000 feet.
Capri 09903, good afternoon to you. Radar control service, fly heading 110 degrees and climb now to altitude 4,000 feet.
Climb 4,000 feet, heading 110 degrees, Capri 903. Vale. Bien.
Ok, ¿hemos completado la after?
No. After landing gear está apronite, flaps.
Capri 903, report you're heading to London Control on 134.125.
134.125, Capri 903, thank you. London Control, Capri 903 is climbing 4,000 feet, heading 110.
Capri 903, hello, climb now, flight level 190.
Climb level 190, Capri 903.
Seguimos en heading, ¿eh?
Sí, 110. Heading.
Vale.
Y acabo con la checklist. Pues tenemos landing gear está up, lights, flaps están arriba indicando arriba, emissions,
Normal.
climb power,
Set.
pressurization está chequeada subiendo y landing lights están off after takeoff checklist completado.
Transit.
London radar, good evening. Jet B 693 Charlie. Descending 140, inbound deadly.
Jet B 693 Charlie, roger. Capri 903, turn right now, heading of 230 degrees.
Right heading 230 degrees, Capri 903.
Jet B 693 Charlie, descend flight level 110.
Descending flight level 110, which is the 693 Charlie.
November 44 November Echo, descend altitude 4,000 feet.
Descend 4,000 feet, thanks for November 4 November Echo.
November 44 November Echo, call Thames radar now 132.7.
Thames 132.7, thanks for service and appreciate the opportunity to take shortcut.
No worries, thanks. Capri 903, left turn now, route direct to Sitet.
Left direct seated, Capri 903.
London Control, good evening. Neptune 022 Bravo, flight level 170 inbound Norway.
Neptune 022 Bravo, roger. Capri 903, contact London on 135.055.
135.055, Capri 903. Thank you.
EGKB 779, descend when ready, flight level 180, level by ETVAX.
180, level by Edward, EGKB 779, leave.
Kotam 3800, direct to Sitet.
Direct to Sitet, Kotam 3800, thank you.
London Control, Capri 903 is climbing level 1900 to seated.
Capri 903, London, hello to you, climb flight level 290.
Climb for level 290, Capri 903.
Running to Island 391, climbing flight level 100, direct needle.
Blue Island 391, London, hello, route direct to Ortac.
Direct to Ortac, Island 391.
Capri 903, what is your requested level?
3-5, ¿no? Sí. Final level 350 is possible, Capri 903.